peeps! Belated happy Thanksgiving, happy Black Friday, all that good stuff, right? So today is Black Friday, and I swear, turn this camera on and I get all the energy in the world, because the rest of the day I have been like, bleh. I don't know about you guys, this holiday has completely burned me out. I'm gonna be cautious saying that, but it's true. And it's just, I'm spending this weekend strategically fighting burnout so I don't die for the rest of the holiday season. But yes, happy Black Friday to you guys. I hope sales are going spectacular for you. I hope you got stuff out. And if you didn't, I'm here to give you a little bit of friendly encouragement, kick up the ass. So let's get down to it. I have a movie calling my name. So today we got 0 people on email, 0 people on SMS, but in sales we've done $346. Now, that's not a lot of money for me for Black Friday. However, we've done that $346 in the last 2 hours. So I'll take that. It is like, oh my god, guys. How did Black Friday get here so fast? Like, is it fast for the rest of you? I feel like it should still be August or September or at the latest October, not Black Friday already. How does it sneak up on us? How does time fly so fast? And like every year I say it, but this year I'm committing myself to it, that I'm writing out all my plans. Next year, 2023, I'm going to have my holiday season scheduled, done, emails done, social done, everything prepped out like in August. By the middle of August, I'm going to have that done so I can hit my busy season, my travel season, everything, and just like not be in absolute panic mode. So, because I don't know about you, but for me it comes down to like, I can make those epic plans, but actually executing on the plans is sometimes a very different story. Like you guys know, we have the world domination plan, and we've done a good job at hitting like 75% of the world domination plan. So I'll take that, and the sales are trickling along because of it. But here we go. So I'll tell you the truth, I totally was going to shoot a video last night and I died. I like totally crashed. I didn't expect it, because we ate Thanksgiving in our house at like 1 in the afternoon, 12:30, 1 o'clock. We had Thanksgiving lunch. Still died, and then hung out with my sister and nephew, and died even more afterwards. So woke up, so I was like, I'm gonna get up early this morning, and I did not. So let me know if anyone else is in that same boat of like fight. It's probably the key trigger, that this is probably burnout more so than just like tiredness or anything else, is because I'm sleeping late in the morning and it's still not helping. But anyway, that's that. Looking forward to today. So all the prep stuff that was supposed to happen for today, like, didn't. I didn't do my live yesterday announcing my giveaway winners that went out in an email today. All the craziness. But today I put the Etsy shop on sale. I put the Shopify. I went and grabbed, I had to get an plug-in to be able to put my whole shop on sale and give my people a double dip discount. So like there was that kind of research, and that research is like it's never easy. I used to consider myself pretty, like, decently techie. But I realized today I am not techie. I am really good at following click-by-click instructions, but I gotta know which instructions I'm following to be able to do the click-by-click. But, like, I can follow that just fine. I don't have any trouble with that doing if there is a direct pathway for me to follow, then I can set it all up. But if there is not, and I have to choose, like, what's going in my path, if I have to actually build that road, it's not good with tech. But anyway, so things didn't get going at midnight last night like I wanted, or even earlier, like yesterday afternoon like I had originally planned. No. My Black Friday sale went out on my website like 3 hours ago. And then, like, in the course of trying to get emails done, I sent those were another, longer. So, suffice to say, in the past 2 hours, since I started sending emails, we've done 346. And not bad for a start. It's just going to keep going all weekend. Why? Because I am going to strategically and steadily push it all weekend long. And we have events going all weekend, so lots of fun on that. Today is all the Black Friday. Tomorrow, Saturday, for Small Business Saturday, we have a trunk show going on. It'll be our not Small Business Saturday, it was my original theme. And I was like, I got no inspiration for this. So instead, we're doing a Secret Santa trunk show on tomorrow, and then Sunday will just be like relaxation. I'll probably share behind the scenes putting up Christmas lights, that kind of stuff. We have a gnome Christmas tree that I'm thinking can go right there. Like if I actually clean up that spot, it can go there, and that would be awesome, wouldn't it? Yeah. So that happened. And then Monday will be Cyber Monday. And I think Monday I'm also going to launch the MIFGE. So it put up, I feel bad. Like, I get mad at myself, and I try not to be mad at myself. But let me know if you guys are in the same boat too, where you get mad at yourself that you don't follow through on a deadline that you set. So, like, my first deadline for the MIFGE was Halloween. That was, like, there was absolutely nothing ready for then. My second deadline was, like, November 5th or something like that. My third deadline was yesterday. So, deadline number 4, maybe, will be Monday to launch MIFGE. And we'll see what happens with it. And, like, and that will just be to get it up and running and then, like, really, really pushing it as we get into the 12 days of Christmas. But, yeah. So, there's that. And that's, like, the plan through the weekend. But I really want to encourage you guys that if you have not gotten stuff up, or if you're not in this space where you wanted to be, just launch what you have. Like, for the first time ever, I used a Klaviyo template for my email and just, like, literally changed the words and sent it. I did it so minimalist that at first that I forgot to change the link in the button, to put a link in the button. So I linked my coupon code, but not my button. Whoops. So that was immediately sending out another email saying, and with a link, and now it works. And then I had my third email that went out to my giveaway winner. So all of that stuff is done. And it's just like, it's literally, it's what's good enough. I created a new banner for the website. It's good enough. I took that banner, resized it to be my Facebook cover image. Is it good? No, but it's good enough. So it's up there. It is something updated, something changed. And I'll be shooting short form video all weekend. That will be exactly, probably subpar, but I'm going to release it as good enough. So I definitely encourage you, because we get all of these beautiful visions of the photo shoots we're going to do, the sales we're going to run, the epic copy we're going to write, the absolutely perfect use of emojis in those posts. Come on, you know what I'm talking about here. But that can really, really hold us back, especially if you're in an overwhelmed state, or there's family, there's good food, there's movies you want to watch. Like, I'm watching Slumberland tonight. It is happening. Once this video is posted, I'm watching Slumberland. I've been wanting to watch it for like a week now. I thought we were doing it last night, and we didn't. We watched lots of toddler stuff, but like, okay. But yeah, all that to say, good enough gets it out there. And that's the real starting point. So no matter what, get it something out there, even if it's bad. Especially if it's bad. I saw a post from Brittany Long yesterday, I think it was. That was just, or earlier in the week, it was just great. She was talking about, like, everyone having these perfectly polished and beautiful photos and photo shoots for Black Friday. She's like, I'm going to try something different and go, like, really awkward with the pictures and the graphics and the stuff like that. And I thought that was brilliant. And then she was on a live today that I caught a few minutes of. She's wearing the same shirt as me. Like, I love it. Like, oh, we're in the same club. But anyway, she's way more ahead in the club than I am, but that's okay. It's all good. And she was talking about, like, when you have a plan, you're able to emotionally detach. I haven't quite reached that stage where I can emotionally detach when I have a plan, but having a plan leads to at least having that concrete direction that I'm moving in. Versus just, like, willy-nilly throw. It's like, ah, shit, it's Black Friday. Melissa, you've known it's Black Friday all month. It's coming. It's coming. Cyber Monday is coming. It will be here in 3 days. Yeah, 2 days. These things don't change. They're fixed dates on the calendar. It's not like you can be surprised about it, but we can be surprised about how ill-prepared we are from the even when we make a plan. So, all of that. I'm done ranting. You guys have a wonderful second day Thanksgiving. If you do that, we'll do our second Thanksgiving dinner probably tomorrow when the whole family can be here. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me know. I want to know, what is the big Black Friday buy that you are excited for? Like, what's something that, like, oh, I was telling my friends this before. Like, I really feel like all of the business coaches out there should run their Black Friday deals the week after. The week after Black Friday, because that's when small business owners have some money, right? Instead of, like, when we're trying to make all the money today and we're all distracted, why don't they run their promos the week after Black Friday? I think that would be, like, genius. Light bulb moment, right? Light bulb, light bulb, light bulb. Anyway, But what are you excited to purchase? Are you spoiling yourself on anything? Is your business rewarding you with anything? Are you buying stuff for your business? For me, I am going to fulfill on what I said I bought earlier and always meant to buy, and I just never actually hit the buy checkout button. And I'm going to buy a HIIT workout program by a CrossFitter, because I need to be doing something, and I think that's going to help with fight off a bit of this burnout, is to get back into a workout and exercise regimen. And even though I can't go to the gym and do CrossFit like I love to do, I really love CrossFit, I love weightlifting and all that craziness, I can force myself to squeeze out 10 minutes a day for a workout. And probably 10 minutes of stretching after that. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing by, I think it's Carrie Pierce is her name, and she has a HIIT, PHIIT, whatever, workout. And yeah, that's what I'm doing to spoil myself. Let me know. I want to know, comment below, are you spoiling yourself with anything, or will you be spoiling yourself with something in the near future? And that's it. I'm off to either make tea or hot cocoa, I don't know, and watch my movie. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, happy sales weekend. Happy mega sales weekend. Bye.